Bullish Axie limitlessness, AXS, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $57.80 and $125.87 by 2030. Market investigators accept AXS could reach $57.80 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $10.27. Axie endlessness, AXS, presentation. Axie endlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie Boundlessness novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie vastness, AXS? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. Axie limitlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients, DAU. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them truly variable and regularly extraordinary and remarkable. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, uncommon, very interesting, and incredible. Each Axie may just vary a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of AXS tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of AXS will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie Boundlessness Shards. Axie Boundlessness Shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part, AXS. These are utilized to participate in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token, NFT. Each Axie is a non-fungible token, NFT, with remarkable characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight, exp, focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its real parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. AXS and SLP. Both AXS and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie Boundlessness biological system utilizes 2 essential tokens, Smooth Love Mixtures, previously known as Little Love Elixir, and Axie Limitlessness Shards, AXS, SLP. As the local administration badge of the stage, AXS holders take part in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates, for instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be disseminated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the rearing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie Boundlessness is planned to permit AXS partner support in some stage improvement decisions. Axie Boundlessness, AXS, current cost. Axie Boundlessness is at present worth $12.84. AXS has moved 2.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $55,734,209. Axie Boundlessness is at present positioned 48 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,065,236,597 Axie Limitlessness, AXS, Value Forecast 2022. Axie Limitlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year, AXS. The Axs cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $19.27. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $17.98 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Axs is supposed to have a base worth of $15.41. Axie Vastness, Axs Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie Vastness Axs cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axs will before long outperform $32.11. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axs's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axs will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $25.69 and a typical exchanging cost of $28.26. Axie Boundlessness, Axs Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $44.95 and Axs might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axs is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $41.10 and a low of $38.53 in 2024. Axie Vastness, Axs Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Axie Vastness effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Axs coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axs will be green in 2025. The Axs is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $57.80. With a base cost of $51.37 and a typical cost of $53.94. Axie Limitlessness, Axs Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Axs cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $66.79 by 2026. With a base cost of $64.22 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axs has a greatest value worth of $70.64. Axie Boundlessness, Axs Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur